Monday project management. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you around monday.com how to use monday.com for your project management to run a successful business. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply type in monday.com and you will land on this platform right here. Monday.com allows you to manage your team better. You can do project management, sales and CRM, marketing, creative and design, software development, task management, operations, HR, IT, and much more. So, Monday allows you to create your own amazing and very creative hub of your own, and then you can simply, run a successful business online and manage your teams better. So, how to get started with monday.com? Getting started is really easy. All you have to do is click on get started, and after that, you simply have to type in your email address and then set up a password. You can also sign up with your Google account. So once you sign up for monday.com, this is the dashboard that you will get. This is the inside of monday.com, and I will show you everything that how we actually use monday.com, what are the different tools and features we are getting, and how you can use it to manage your team. So you can see right here we get this option of main workspace. So you can create as many workspaces as you want to. A workspace simply means like a workspace where you create projects and then each project will have its own task. That's how it works. So if I want to create a new workspace, I will simply click on add workspace and monday.com will allow me to create my new workspace. So let's give it a name. Let's call it how to global. There you go. So now I have two options, privacy or it should be open or it should be closed. In closed, I will not be able to invite anybody. It will just be only for me. So I'm going to keep it open because I want to invite the members. Simply click on create workspace. And there you go, my workspace is created. So right now I do not have any boards or anything right here. So now I can simply go ahead and choose any template. So I can get a template of different boards, and that will actually help me create a better workspace for myself, and then I will have these templates to work with. That becomes a little easy for you to kind of like go for. So I am in marketing, right? Or maybe we can go for content production. So simply go to content production, and now I have these different templates, and I can check them out to kind of like see then how I want them to be. So I want to create a workspace for content planning, and I think this one looks pretty good, so I'm going to use this one. There you go. You can see now they have prepared my template for me. So if you do not want to use a template, it's okay, you can start from the scratch. But when it comes to templates, then we have kind of like we get an idea how to actually make a very good professional workspace for ourselves. So you can see I have a main table, then we have content planning, calendar, then we have campaign, and then we have more. In more, I will be able to find my task, content request forms, content assets, team workload. Everything is shown right here in the more. Then these are the integrations. So with the template, three integrations actually are already kind of like integrated, and we have Slack and we have Gmail. So this is good. I wanted Gmail, I wanted the Slack. So let's add a new item. You can see right here they have created these boards, and every tag is with different colors. So if you want to add a new item, you will see the option right here. Simply click right here, and let's just say I want to make a tutorial video this month. There you go. Now I have different tags right here. So what I am going to do is I can give it any of these. So it is going to be a pending review, all labels, what's done, and then we have this one, which is the email one. You can see that all of the labels are given right here, the status. But if I want to create a new status, simply click right here, and then you can duplicate it. You can add a new column, and then you can also get the tags, you can get the date, people, status, everything is shown right here when you click on the tag. So what is going to happen, this one right here, click on edit, and you will be able to edit it out. If you want to start a conversation, you can do that as well. So again, let me actually show you that what you can do when we create different tasks. So this is my task right here, tutorial videos. Let's say I want to add a new tag. So simply click right here. You can see working on it, proofreading, pending review, published, move to dam stack. So I want to add another one, and that is going to be script needed. Okay, there you go. And now I'm gonna give it a color. Let's go with a different color right here. We have different color choices to kind of like help us to get more organized. So this is going to be the color of this one. So now for this one, actually, let's go with a yellow color. Perfect. So now I'm gonna apply. So that is how you simply, create new tags right here. Then we have next month. If you want to change the name for this one, let's just call it goals maybe. So that is how you can simply add goals. Then we have again different content ideas. So this is how it depends on you, what you are doing, because I have kind of like made a content planning one. So you can also go for others if you want to. If you want to add a new group, simply click on add new group and give your group a name. Let's call it error. Let's just say that some of the videos have error, and I'm gonna type item. Let's call it task 1, and then I'm gonna click on add and it will be added. Now I can add a task 2. Simply add. Now the status is going to be proofreading, because we need to kind of like proofread these because they have error in them. So this is how it will work for me. So this is how you basically add different items. This is the main table. If I want to go to the content planning calendar, then you will actually have a better idea, because this is like the calendar view for you, where you can add different tasks according to different dates. Let's just say that I want to add a date right here. So I'm going to click on add and I can add meeting this month. Maybe on this date I have a meeting and this is going to be this month, the owner. Simply add the owner. You can enter the name or you can add the email address. Then the status. The status is going to be the working on it, because we want to discuss the working on one. Content type, that what content type it is. So we are going to be talking about the articles. So I will go with articles and the published date is going to be this. Now if I want to add any brief description about it, I can go ahead and add as well. So I'm gonna just write keep your notes with you. There you go. And I'm going to click on create item. So you will see that it will be created right here. This is the meeting and they have added it right here. So this is how you can kind of like plan different things according to calendar. Then we have Kanban view. So the Kanban is pretty cool. It is the board form, and I personally really like the boards because it kind of like gives you a very clear view of what is happening. To add new, again, you simply click on add item right here and you can go for any item you want to. Let's go with task 3 and click on add, and you will see that it will be added right here. If you want to add different things, for example, you want to edit the date, you want to change anything, you can do that as well. So this is the Kanban view. If we go to more, we have team workload, content assets, and we also get all of these integrations that we can actually check out. If I want to add another board, like this is the content planning board, right? If I want to add another board, simply click on add board, and then I have these options: group, column view, integration, automation, app, dashboard, and import items. So this depends on me what I want to add. I can invite member, click on invite, add the email address, whatever you want to type in, right? You will simply add the email address, send the invite by email, and they will be able to access to your board right here on monday.com. So yeah, this is the basic view of monday.com. You also get notifications right here, inbox and my work. Then we have apps, invite members, search right here, and you can simply go to workspaces. From here you can switch between your workspaces that you have, and then you will be able to access your inbox right here. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. I wanted to show you how to use monday.com. If I was a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.